siya. Tantrum style lang natin hanggang chorus ah.
I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile.
Ate Abby, thank you.
My life started to change. I'd wake up each day feeling alright with you right by my side. Makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there is an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you.
Okay na tayo, tantrums. Ate Abby, thank you so much. Naimir na, thank you. Oh, napanood ko itong movie na to. Namatay si Aga Mulak. Tama ba ako? At, sino to babae? Christine Hermosa ba yung babae? Nagkasama ba si Aga Mulak at Christine Hermosa? Hindi ko sure. Claudine ba? Oh, yes. Tama. Ako, Christine Hermosa. Tama, tama. Tama, nagkaanak sila. Tapos ang ending, parang nasa may dagat si Christine, dala-dala yung urn ni Aga Mulak. Galing ko, no? Tama, tama.
I'll never forget.
Nakwento lang di ko naabutan. Wow. Dayan Abby! Alam mo nga yung ano nga to? Kilala mo nga si Chloe? My destiny. Ian, I love you. Good night, Janet. Thank you for dropping by. My destiny. Okay. Buttercup. Tabis.
Why do you build me up, buttercup baby, just to let me down and mess me around? And worst of all, you never call baby when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. I'll be over at 10, you told me time and again, but you're late. Around and then I went to the door, I can't take anymore. It's not you, you let me down again. Baby, baby, you try to find a little time and I'll make you happy. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Ooh, ooh. Buttercup baby, just to let me down and mess me around. And the worst of all, you never go baby when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. To you I'm a toy, I could be the boy you adore if you just let me know. Although you untrue, I'm attracted to you all the more. Why do I need you so? Baby, baby, I try to find a little time and I'll make you happy. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Ooh, ooh. Buttercup baby, just to let me down and mess me around. And the worst of all, you never go baby when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break. Georgia, more than anyone, baby. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, Elsie, thank you so much. Hey, Smile 16. Thank you, Paswe. Lying in my bed, I hear the clock ticking and think of you. Caught up in circles, confusion isn't nothing new. Flashback, warm nights, almost left behind. Suitcase of memories. Time after sometimes you picture me. I'm walking too far ahead. You're calling to me. I can't hear what you've said. And you say go slow. I'll fall behind. Pretty Nicks. The second hand unwind. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. Jojo, Pretty Nicks. After my picture fades and darkness has turned to gray, watching through windows, you're wondering if I'm okay. Secrets stolen from deep inside. Then drum beats out of time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. Thanks, fam. Ian, I love you. You said go slow, I'll fall behind. The second hand unwinds. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. Time after time. Time after time. Time after time, oh baby. Time after time. For 20. Amor.
Ito ba, Eileen? Para maka 1 point na si Eileen. Ang taas. Waltings! Nakuntan na ba to? Waltings, thank you so much. Parang hindi pa. Waltings, thank you. User 173. Ano yun? I want it that way yun. Totoo ba? Sige naman, bahala na kung saan kayanin. Sayo na lang tayo.
All the loneliness has always been a friend of mine. I'm living my life in your hands. People say I'm crazy and that I am blind, risking it all in a glance. And how you got me blind is still a mystery. I can't get you out of my head. Don't care what is written in your history, as long as you're here with me. I don't care who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me. Who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me. Every little thing that you have said and done feels like it's deep within me. Doesn't really matter if you're on the run, it seems like we're meant to be. I don't care who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me. Pretty Nicks, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me.
Saan ka pupunta? Kayongo.
As long as you love me. But I guess it shows when you look into my eyes.
Ang taas. Di ba tapos na? Start pa lang ba pag gantong oras? Nominated ba ulit? So alam niyo na.
Hey, I don't care who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me. Who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me. Who you are, where you're from, as long as you love me.
Okay na tayo, Eileen.
As long as you love me, baby.
Yes. Ben Benitez. User 17, thank you. 7100. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Happy Monday. Yes, Olds. Ano nangyayari, Olds? On a Monday. Olds, ano nangyayari, Olds? I nest you. Ano naman yan, Tantrums? Na-late lang ako saglit. Sobrang kanina ka pa namin hinihintay. Like, where have you been, Olds? Zuji. Try natin tong piano version. Maiba lang. Sige, try.
I don't need a lot of things, I can get by with nothing. But all the blessings life can bring, I've always needed something. But I've got all I want when it comes to loving you. You're my only reason, you're my only truth. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you.
Tantrums, thank you. Maui.
You're the hope that moves me to courage again. You're the love that rescues me when the cold winds rage. And it's so amazing, 'cause that's just how you are. And I can't turn back now, 'cause you brought me too far. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you.
Swanky, thank you.
I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes, I do. I need you.
Namrina, thank you. Swanky, thank you. Ano meron sa September, Olds? At may mga pinaplano ka na hindi namin alam. Olds, ano yan, Olds? Hey, user 17. Fancy, thank you. Anong diwag? Saan yan? Goldie, naging busy ka yata, Golds. Kamusta ka na? Parang nakakalimutan mo na kami, Olds. Ay, ano, Golds. May chasing cars tayo kanina, no? Chasing cars tayo.
We'll do it all, everything on our own. We don't need anything or anyone. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? I don't quite know how to say or how I feel. Those three words are said too much. They're not enough. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told before we get too old. Show me your garden that's bursting into life. Let's waste time chasing colors around our heads. Yeah, I love it, thank you. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Softly, Marcel, thank you. All that I am, all that I ever was, perfect as there all I can see. I don't know where, confused about how as well. Just to know that things will never change for us at all. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
Thank you, fam.
You get a fast car, I wanna take it to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You get a fast car, I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at a convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Wanted to drive too far. Cross the border and into a city. You and I can both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living. See, my old man's got a problem. Lives with a bottle, that's the way it is. Is his body too old for working? His body too young to look like this. So mama went off and left him. She wanted from life that he could give. I said, somebody's gotta take care of him. So I quit school, that's what I did. You get a fast car, fast enough so we can fly away. We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight, live and die this way. So remember we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay up before your arm felt nice right around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. And I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You get a fast car, we go cruising, entertain ourselves. Still ain't got a job. I work in the markets, a checkout girl. I know things will get better. You'll find work and I'll get promoted. Move out of the shelter, buy a bigger house and live in the suburbs. Well, thanks, thank you. So remember we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before your arm felt nice right around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belong. And I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. Otto, thank you. You get a fast car, I got a job to pay all our bills. Stay out drinking, late on the buzzing. Boy from friends, thank you, your kids. I always hope for a better. Maybe together you'll be fine, man. Got no plans, I ain't going nowhere. Take a fast car and keep on driving. So remember we were driving in your car. Speed too fast, I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us. Your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder, and I had a feeling that I belong. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You get a fast car, is it fast enough so we can fly away? You gotta make a decision, leave tonight, live and die this way.
Ang OA nyo. Autumn, thank you so much. Thank you so much, fam. Ang OA. Ba't naman may paraluma? Mamaya na yung paraluma. Alright. Jamela, thank you. Jamela. Thank you so much, fam. Yoki. Bye. Bye ano? Paniwalaan mo, bye. Meron nang gumagamit ng sabon ko? Meron na ba? May napagsabihan na ako ah.
There are times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace
Mamaya kukunin ko.
in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now.
Dumating na in-order ko nung 8-8.
You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you, and I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need
To be here with forevermore. Ano yun?
all those years. I've longed to hold you here in my arms. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you would be mine.
Sorry, Hele.
I just can't believe that you were mine now.
Sorry talaga.
You were just a dream that I once knew.
Flat, no flat.
I never thought I would be right for you, and I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here with forevermore. just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you, and I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here with forever. Desi, thank you, fam. Hello, hello. Ito yung sabon, no? Yun. Nakita nyo na? Nakita nyo na? Ito na yung sabon. Ayan. Oh, barcode. Screenshot nyo yung barcode. Papakita nyo yan sa grocery. Ganun na ngayon. Diba uso na ang QR code ngayon eh. Barcode yan. Kaya nga, dadalhin nyo yun na screenshot nyo. Ipapakita nyo sa grocery. Oh, ito ang laman niya. White. Oh, ayan na ha. May barcode na, may kulay pa. Oh, alam na ni Tabis. Si Tabis ang tanongin nyo, alam nyo na si Tabis, alam niyan lahat. Pag si Tabis, alam niyan lahat. Tanongin nyo si Tabis. Alam ni Tabis, ipipm na lang kay ni Tabis. Kaya nakita niyo si Tabis ngayon, di ba? Mamula-mula rin. Oh, di ba? Ang galing talaga ni Tabis. Galing manghula. Ang galing manghula ni Tabis. Pag si Tabis ang tinanong nyo, sigurado, mali. Ang galing mo, Tabis, mali. Oh, nakita nyo naman. Nakita nyo naman, kumpleto na. Di ba? Anong sabi? Anong sabi?
for sensitive skin. Oh, di ba? Ang galing ni Tabis. Mali. Manghuhula na lang. Maling-mali. Tingnan nyo naman yung sabon. May plastic. May plastic pa yan. Oh. Tatanungin nyo lang sa grocery. Ano yung nakabak sa may plastic? Miss. Ano yung sabon na nakabak sa may plastic? Kulay puti. Ganun. Okay na yan na. Miss, ano yung sabon na nakabox na may plastic for sensitive skin? Oh. Oh, alam ni Jenny. Baka kay Jenny may chance kasi kay Tabis mali. Ay, hindi yan effective kasi hindi mo reveal. Wow. Aileen, totoo ba? Kung hindi effective, magpapalit ako talaga. Aileen. Hindi ba talaga, Aileen? Papalit na ako bukas. Sa Watsons, palagi siyang ubos. Meron, pero palaging ubos. Hindi yan. Nope. Ate She. Malapit na magkamali si Tabis. Ate She, saan nga galing Ate She? Ate She na yun. Ate She naman eh. Yan siguro gamit mo, Cakes. Yan ba gamit mo, Cakes? Mag-ano tayo? Opium naman tayo kaya. 81. Mali old C. Jeremy. Ay, Z Capli. Hi. Jenny, nahulaan mo ba, Jenny? Ay, Jenny! Teka. Oo nga pala, no? May papaligan ako. Meron din pala, Jenny. Ang ganda nito, oo. Napanood nyo na yung Maharaja? Sino nakapanood na? Ay, Z Capli, thank you. Ang ganda. Napanood na namin ni Jenny. Nung isang gabi, naku, Aileen, panoodin mo. Netflix, nasa Netflix. Hindi. Maharaja. A Bollywood film. Maharaja. Maharaja. Tatype ni Jenny sa baba. Ay, Jojo, panoorin mo. Di pa din nasisimulan. Simulan mo na, Abby. Maganda siya, maganda siya. Like, di ba Marge? Kakaiba yung ano, basta maganda yung moral ng story. Madaming lessons. Parang Slumdog Millionaire. Um, yes, yung quality. Pero magkaiba ng plot. Magkaiba ng plot. Pero madaming lessons. Issue hindi eh. Walang sayaw. Wala siyang jaiho. Ano to? Pure ano? Pure, ano ba? Hindi din drama eh. Oh, basta maganda. Kicks, panoorin mo rin. Yeah, brilliant movie. Tama, brilliant movie. Horror ba? Saks lang. Kicks, ano bang gamit mo ngayon, Kicks? Anong gamit mo muna ngayon? Fancy.
Kamukha mo si Paraluman nung tayo ay bata pa. At ang galing-galing mo sumayaw, mapapugi man o cha-cha. Ngunit ang paborito ay pagsayaw mo na bimbo. Nakakaindaw, nakakaaliw, nakakatindi, balahibo. Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay didiretso na sa inyo. At buong maghapon ay tinuturuan mo ako. Alay, hello? Hawak ang ating kamay at wala kang malay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng una. Naninigas ang aking katawan pag umikot ang plaka, patay sa kembot ng bewang mo at pungay ng iyong mga mata. Lumiliwanag ang buhay habang tayo'y magkaabay at dahan-dahan dumudulas ang kamay ko sa makinis mong braso. Sana noon pa man ay sinabi na sa iyo, kahit hindi na uso ay ito lang ang alam ko. Ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig na tunay.
Wala pa rin nakakahula. Ayun na, pinakita ko na eh.
Lumipas ang maraming taon, di na tayo nakita. Balita ko'y may anak ka na, ngunit walang asawa. Tagahugas ka raw ng pinggan sa may ermita. Sa isang gabi, nasa gasaan sa isang madilim na eskinita. Lahat ng pangarap ko'y bigla lang natunaw. Sa panaginip na lang pala kitang may sasayaw. Magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig. Ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig na tunay.
Internet ko naman. Gusto ko yung eksakto pangalan. Di. Eto, sige, Desi. Ishe. Taas to, Desi, ah.
Para sinta mismong magmahal. Para kang pintura, buhay ko ikaw ang nagpinta. Para kang unan, pinapainit mo ang aking tiyan. Para kang kumot na yumayakap sa tuwing ako'y nalulungkot. Kaya huwag magtataka kung bakit ayaw kitang mawala. Kung hindi man tayo hanggang dulo, huwag mong kalimutan, nandito lang ako, laging umaalalay, hindi ako lalayo. Dahil ang tanging panalangin ko ay ikaw. Besi, ang taas ha.
Joyce, thank you so much, Joyce.
Di bale maghapon pang umulan, basta't ikaw ang sasandalan. Liwanag na lumulubog na araw, kay sarap pagmasdan, lalo na kapag nasisinakan ang iyong mukha. Ayoko nang magsawa, hindi magsasawa sa'yo. Kaya huwag magtataka kung bakit ayaw kitang mawala. Kung hindi man tayo hanggang dulo, huwag mong kalimutan, nandito lang ako, laging umaalalay, hindi ako lalayo. Dahil ang tanging panalangin ko bahala na. Ayoko munang magsalita, hayaan na muna natin ang daloy ng tadhana. Besi ah.
Ano yan, Ate Shen? Hindi, wala pa rin nakakahula ng eksakto. Kala ko ba alam ni Tabis?
Kung di man tayo hanggang dulo, huwag mong kalimutan, nandito lang ako, laging umaalalay, hindi ako lalayo. Itinig, welcome back. Huwag mong kalimutan, hindi ako lalayo. Dahil ang tanging panalangin ay ikaw. Ay ikaw. Ay ikaw. Ay ikaw.
Napakagaling naman. Sobrang galing naman. Bakit naman ang galing? Memorize naman lahat ng sabon. Sobrang naman galing. Snow White nga daw, sabi ni Tabis. Si Kiko naman may pa-sulfur soap pa. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Habibi, my love. Ang galing. See? May isa sa inyo na ang galing, matalino. Diba? Marunong dumiskarte. Ang galing. Diba? Hindi niya sinayang yung mga clues na pinakita ko kanina. Akala nyo baliwala. Ang galing nyo. Pwede siya sa pwede siya sa Squid Game. Ang galing. Pwede siya sa Squid Game. Siya yung matitirang buhay. Nag-iisip. Thinking player talaga siya. Ang galing. Hindi niya sinayang yung bawat clue. Nagamit niya yon para mabuhay. Siya lang matitirang buhay. Lahat tayo patay. Ano siya, kailangan makuha ko siyang teammate. Oo. Oo. Halimbawa, dalawa na lang kayong kailangang mabuhay. Siya yung hihilahin ko. Tutulak ko si Tabis. Ay. Ang galing, nakakabilib. Talino. Alam ko nga kasi pwede yun eh. Galing. Di mo na kaya mabigat. Tapos mabigat ka daw, galing kay Kiko. Kagalit naman si Pretty Nix. Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Pretty Nix. Mali, Aileen, mali. Anong gamit mo ngayon, Aileen? Matanong lang, anong gamit mo ngayong sabon? Ilang years mo na yan gamit, Helen? Walang effect. Si Autumn naman, perla daw. Si Autumn kaya, Autumn, anong gamit mong sabon? Master Clean daw si Wild Things. Parang iba na yan ah. Ano na nga tayo? Nasa na nga tayo? Feeling ko din, parang dub si Autumn. Maladab yung mga ganyan eh. Harvard. Ethel, good morning, Ethel. Si Ethel kaya, anong sabon yan dyan? Si Pretty Nix, anong soap mo, Pretty Nix? At saka ako, pinipilit ko na kung ano yung sabon sa katawan, yun din sa mukha ko. Wala akong mga facial wash eh. Ayoko nung ang daming na iba-iba, ayoko nung daming pinibit-bit. So kung ano yung sa katawan, yun din yung sa mukha. Yes, yung moisturizer yun pa rin talaga. Sobrang solid talaga ng moisturizer na yun. Yung naka-sale sa... Ano yun? Ang dami nag-sale ah. Hindi, buti naman itong bagong sabon, sobrang okay sa mukha. Kasi nga for sensitive skin siya. Papaya ka Olgs? Kamusta ang papaya sa'yo? Parang nasusunog na. Parang pag nakita ko in person, parang ang tan. Parang nagtan, parang ako nag-beach palagi. Si Pretty Nix naman eh. Paano ko nga ba na-discover? Nakita ko kasi, kilalang brand siya, subok na siya. Like, sobrang sikat na brand siya. Nakita ko, meron siyang line, may line siya na bago. So, na-curious ako, meron na pala siyang line na ganito yung ino-offer niya. So, sabi ko, sige nga. Sabi ko, sakto for sensitive skin. So, hindi nakakatakot itry. Tinry ko. 1 month na yata. O, lampas na, no? Lampas na yata. Tignan yung leeg. Pantay na pantay sa mukha. Emmy! Thank you so much again. Thank you so much, fam. Paniwalaan mo, minahal kita agad. Paniwalaan mo. Pangsi, thank you. All right. Or oil if olay. Social naman. Kapit ka lang, Olga. Ulo ka, Kik. Ano daw? Ano daw? Pangsi, thank you. Pangsi, thank you. Aileen, mali eh. Bakit plus one? Bakit plus one? Kailanman? Robert Cruz. Well, thanks. Thank you so much. Well, thanks.
Nasaan na siya ngayon? Hinahanap mo, di mo alam lahat ng iyong gagawin na wala siya sa piling mo. Ate siya, thank you. Ang puso kong ito inaalay ko sa'yo lamang, kaya't wag nang magdaramdam. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y nakalaan. Kailanman di kitang masasaktan, kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman. Bakit ba ganito? Kung sino pa ang iniibig mo, yun pang nanloko sa'yo, di na yata tama ito. magkaganon. Kung ako ang pipiliin mo, pangako di mabibigo, ako ay iyo. Ethan, thank you. Kailanman di kita masasaktan, kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman. Kailanman di kita masasaktan, kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman. Kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman. Teens, Vlad.
Nasaan ka ba talaga, Olgs? Bakit yan, Tabis? Well, thanks. Thank you so much. Alam mo yun, Jojo? Pangsi.
Limang dipang taong nag-uunahan sa avenida ng aking napagdadaanan.
Aabang ng masasakyan patungo kung saan di mo malaman. Alam mo, Kicks, di ko alam yan, ha? Anong title ng Jojo? Thank you, Red. Thank you. Pretty Nix. Desi, nakanta na natin kundi man. Ang taas nga, di ba? Pangsi, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hindi, Regine. Avril Lavigne yun. Yes, sa online, Red. Sorry na pwede ba? Paano yung sorry na pwede ba? Parang alam ko yun. Hindi. Avril yun. Paano to? Rico J. Puno. Hindi ko pala alam, kids. Bakit hindi ka nag-model? Hindi po ko qualified. Nag-try naman po. Hindi lang pinapalad. Ano lang po kasi ako eh. 5'2". Medyo kinapo sa height. 5'2". Mas matangkad naman po kay kay Carlos Yulo. At least 5'2". Diba? Actually, pwede rin ako mag-gymnastics. Hindi ko lang pinush. Hindi ko na pinush eh. Nahiya ako kay German. Si Torning. Dito mo si Attorney ko. Nahiya ako kay German. Nahiya ko na muna si German. Season ni German ngayon. Gymnastics na parang hinahagis. Pwede rin alls. Pwede rin sa cheer dance yan. Otong. Mr. Cupido, ako kay pa... Louie. Louie, parang baliktad na oras mo ngayon. Mas gising ka yata ng late. Mga gifts ko ba yung mga nakikita ko sa screen? Yes, Red. Gusto mo i-try? Louie. Wow, Louie, good morning. Ay, sa kabila po yan. Happy second anniversary, Sense fam. Hello po. Happy anniversary, fam. 8600, happy Monday po sa ating lahat. Sa mga bagong gising, good morning. Glenn Smith. Ganda ng buhok mo dyan, ah. Good morning, Glenn Smith. For sure, kakagising mo lang. Aldrin. Sino dun? Pang 12 mo na yan. Pang 12 mo na nga yan, Olgs. Asus, si Glenn Smith naman. Anong request mo, Glenn Smith? Request ka, Glenn Smith, para maiba naman. Maiba lang. Meron. Naglag na ako. Pangsi, thank you. Talaga, Helen. Nasagot ba? Si Pretty Nix ba? Ano bang gamit niyang sabon? Dapat mag-reveal din kayo ng inyong sabon. Wala bang ni-request si Glenn Smith? Ay, ano, ulit. Ano yun? Hindi ko alam yan. Kanta ko na ba yun? Sige, mag-links na tayo. Thank you, Pretty Nix.
I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I could really justify how you even thought it could be right. 'Cause everything we cherish is gone. And in the end, can you tell me it was worth the try, so I can decide? Leaves will soon grow from the bareness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time.
Pretty Nix, thank you.
Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to forgive.
March. Nominated ba, March?
Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me and it makes me feel blue. But how can I try to hide when every breath and every hour, I still end up thinking of you. And in the end, everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long as leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmness of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. I never thought that I would see the day that I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it worth the fight is that no matter what happens, we try to make it right. Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmness of seas, and all will be alright in time. Wounds of the past will eventually heal, and all will be alright in time. 'Cause all of this comes with a love that is real. All will be alright in time. 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 Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to forgive. You learn to forgive.
Hindi matapang sabon nila. Sobrang nakaka-moisturize.
You're the one who never lets me sleep. Louis, thank you. From my mind down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I am all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you. And now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see your love is like the sun, the lights of my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my face. I feel the chill inside.
Ate Elvie, ate siya. Wala pala si May, no? Sayang eh. Original pa naman to. Marge.
Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind I can't believe it's true, but in my heart the reality is you. I am all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you. And now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Oh, yan yung Sabon Ivy. Your love. Okay, thank you. Alright. Tix, Louie, Abby, Marge, Eileen, Jenny, Mommy Jet, Maricel, Jamela, Namirna, Ventrooms, Ian, I love you, Ate She, Autumn, Ethel, Swanky, Pretty Mix, Nina Van, Ate LB, Joyce, Bangsley, The Wild Things. Maraming salamat po. Mary Fam, thank you so much, fam. Thank you, thank you.
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Everything.
Andrea, thank you. Thank you so much, fam. Good night po. See you. See you.